2017 Honda CR-V loaded EXL. Dark maroon metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels, it's good tires. Great gas saver. Power tailgate. That's one cut light gray leather interior, wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver seat. Lane keep assist, blind spot monitors. Remote start, push button, heated front seats, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, smart cruise, auto headlights with fog lights. Just under 196,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us.